Ladies and gentlemen, I am launching my very first workshop on wisdom on finding you. Now, in lieu of what's going on in our world today, we're all asking questions about ourselves and reevaluating who we are. This workshop will help you reset, pivot your life. And in it, we're going to face it, erase it, and replace it, and write down on the wisdom on what you learned from it. I know this is exactly what you're looking for. So you want to register today at Mary House Ministries and reserve your seat, because seating is limited. I am exclusively setting a certain number of people, and I know you don't want to be left out. Again, register today at maryhouseministries.org on wisdom on finding you. Cannot wait to have you in the room.